Well, welcome back to the channel. Watching these videos as always. It's very early o'clock here at Burnham Yacht Harbour, and we are here to take my new boat from Burnham Yacht Harbour round to Island Yacht Club in the Thames, where I'm based. So I've just gone and had a quick nervous poo, and now we're ready to get things underway. Take some video as we go. I think the wind's supposed to be picking up. It's very cold, so let's see what the sea state's going to be like as we go out to the North Sea.
Pictures, yeah. What's it up there? Yeah. You come round to right around the boat, about a couple of degrees. That's lovely. Yeah, it was like the day that they actually decided how they're going to market it, will be a good day. But they are now saying that the last survey I've heard.
No, we don't have the luxury of coming in and out with what? Yes, time. Buzz out to your distance from as fast as you can, so you can maximise your time.
Yeah.
It's unlike where you are, it's when you've had enough, to stay as long or as you like.
Yes.
Well, we made it back. I'm not sure if the pictures totally show just how absolutely terrifying that was, but as with all things, it's about knowing your limitations. I just had no knowledge of that water around there. It's been 5 years since I bought my last boat down that same stretch of water, and the waves were nowhere near as big as we had today. Some of those were easily 1.5 to 2 meters high, We got some clean air on a few of them, and I have to say I almost had a change of underwear required, but we are back. I got it safely into the mooring the first time. It is very, very close to my neighbour, so I'm just going to drop that a bit lower, I think, in a second. Mooring pull there. But yeah, all back in. Using the skipper's worth its weight in gold. Cleaned everything up as much as I can. We have water coming in ultimately through the front of the windscreen down here. So it's come along here, brushed a lot of that paint stuff down here. So that's got to be sorted. But I'll do that in the spring when it's dry, so I can get some new Sikaflex in there. And then I'll get a bit of vinyl out the front to tidy up so you can't see that bit of broken paint there. But that's it. Thank you for sticking with the channel so far. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you wouldn't mind, and hopefully you'll come back and see how I progress getting the boat ready for the new season now that we're into 2026. So happy new year to you all, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.